look at that. 95. Yeah, that's 95, 70 bucks. Shit, and 20% off on top of that. Look, Pegasus Turbos, green colorway. I kind of like that maroon one, but yeah, 100 bucks. 20% off, $80 for some Pegasus Turbos, man. That is a solid deal, you guys. 60 bucks. Nice. It's 80 bucks. 80 bucks, and you get an extra 20% off. Damn. 110, get 20% off. That brings it down to like what, $88? 80. What's going on, YouTube viewers? This is your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. So yeah, we are back again to do another Nike outlet video. We are currently at the Citadel, which is pretty close to downtown Los Angeles. One of the most popular outlets out in LA. So yeah, let's go get some steals, you guys. Let's go get some steals. What's going on, YouTube viewers? This is your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. So yeah, we are back again to do another Nike outlet video. We are currently at the Citadel, which is pretty close to downtown Los Angeles. One of the most popular outlets out in LA. So yeah, let's go get some steals, you guys. Let's go get some steals. This is one of the most packed outlets. So I made sure we got here early. It's what, 10:15, 10:10 or something. So yeah, let's go see what we can find. Got a little 20% off action going on off the hash one. All right, see what's up. It's already packed. Look, already packed. And the size 9s. Damn, look at that. 95. Yeah, that's 95, 70 bucks. Shit, and 20% off on top of that. It's an interesting color. I don't think I've ever seen that one. It's interesting. Jeez. Vapor Streets? Okay. Yeah, I've never seen this colorway. Going for 160. Yeah. Kind of similar to the Moon Racers I got on. But yeah, I didn't pay nothing close to that. We're still like in the 9.5s. Got some Protro 4s. This is my favorite colorway out of all of them. Carpe Diems. Well, the undefeated pack was, the undefeated pack wasn't bad, but yeah, I really didn't want to pay that much. I could find these at an outlet. Hoping to find these in an outlet in size 10 for a little discount, but haven't seen them on a huge discount quite yet. So we'll find one eventually. Got some SBs, some classics. Going for what, 50 bucks? All right, not bad. Got some LeBron glows. Oh, okay. So that's 13s. Why is this in this area? We're in the 10.5. All right, whatever. Not bad. Not bad. Still go for $139. Get that 20% off. At like 110 or something like that. Not bad. We've seen them cheaper, but not bad though. Oh, we got some Zoom Fly Nets. What is this? What? That seems crazy cheap. And wow, $40 plus another 20%. There's no way this is 20% off on top of that. Yeah, the suggested retail is definitely not no 60 bucks. The suggested retail of these are like 120 or something. Dang, Zoom Fly Nets. This is the one with all React. The regular Flynet, the naming's all weird. Regular Zoom Flies, they got regular Lunarlon, but the Zoom Flynets have React. So yeah, so you definitely want the Zoom Flynets, not the regular Zoom Flies. Of course I got both, but still. Yeah, we got to look at these. Yeah, super comfortable. And look at all the open slots. It's like I'm at the clearance center with all the resellers. Can't even be mad at them though, because I would cop if there's anything to sell. We got a bunch of those SBs that we saw a few minutes ago. The Air Max 2017, that's priced a little high, that 130. A little high. We've seen it for cheaper than that. Got these Pegasus 35s, kind of expensive though. I've seen 36 for that price. I got some Witness 3s. For 70 bucks, got a few of those. You get that 20% off, but still not cheap though. Got some Zoom Turbos. For those of you guys who know about this, man. And the Nike's best running shoes, most comfortable running shoes. Go for what? 125? Do you get that 20% off? Not bad. We've seen those for at like 100 though at the clearance center. Hilarious. I just talked about these right now. Look, Pegasus Turbos, green colorway. I kind of like that maroon one, but yeah, 100 bucks, 20% off, $80 for some Pegasus Turbos, man. These almost $200. That's a steal right there. Damn. Damn, I've never seen so many Pegasus Turbos. Look, size 11. Got the blue. Got another pair of green. Nice. It's a Jordan 8s. I'm not a big fan of this colorway though. But yeah, I'm also not a fan of there be no price. But yeah, I'm not a fan, so I wouldn't even ask. We got some Pegasus 35 Team Banks. That's what TB stands for. These bad boys are all red. If you guys need red shoes, man, that's what's up. 60 bucks. These retail for 120. These aren't the latest shoes, but there really is barely any difference from the 35 and the 36s. So that is a solid deal, you guys. 60 bucks. Nice. Got the Kyrie Flytrap, the Duke colorway. We've seen these for this price, so a 45, get another 20% off on top of that. That still brings it under 40 bucks. It's like 36 bucks something, not bad. Dang, PG3s, look at that. Look at that. It's 80 bucks. 80 bucks, and you get an extra 20% off. Damn. Is it down to what, 60 some dollars? 64 bucks? Yeah, not bad, you guys. 64 bucks. PG3s, nice. We are in the smaller sizes, so size 7.5, 8 or 8s. Element Reacts. I haven't seen this colorway. Yeah. Not bad, but 90 bucks. A little steep. A little steep for my blood. Got these as well. The bread colorway. Are we allowed to call these the breads? I don't know. But yeah, I don't think so. I don't think so, but yeah. Yeah, it looks like those will go for retail minus 20%. Got some Kobe Pro Tro 4s. I like how the MSRP's off a lot of times, but yeah, size 8. They have a couple different sizes. I'm a big fan of those. Damn, I need to ask if they got these in my size. These are 7.5 SB Dunks. I love SB Dunks. I love these. I love SB Dunks. I love the way they look. To be really honest, they're not super comfortable, but I love the way they look. Love the way they look. They don't even get a price. I'm gonna have to have them price check it and see if they got a size 10. I'm just kind of hopping around from different areas, I guess. Like back in the size 9s. We checked the size 9s and 10s already, but yeah, look at this. One of the newer colorways. The Why Not 0.2s. I kind of like this colorway. I kind of dig it. What do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think about this one. Kind of a fan. Kind of a fan. What does it say right there? Another 0.2. Oh, nice. Not bad. No, I don't think I showed the price. This is going for retail. You do get that 20% off though. But this is one of the newer colorways. So that is what happens with the newer colorways. Well, okay, we do have some ISPAs. Some React ISPAs. These have been very popular. I'm not the hugest fan with the laces being on the side instead of in the middle and stuff. But yeah. Well, people have been digging these. I know a lot of people have been talking about these. So yeah, 110, get that 20% off if that's your style. We do got another pair of those iridescent black PG3s. So you guys can see that. Go for 89, size 9, and you get an additional 20% off. You don't get a real box though, but hey, you don't wear the box, you wear the shoe, right? Yeah, I thought this was one of the Fear of Gods or something. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Are there any of you guys into this? I don't know. This looks kind of whatever, dude. This is kind of whatever. But yeah, he's going for retail too. Damn. I don't know. Is this a thing? Is this a thing? I don't know. Watch, I'm gonna feel all stupid if the resale's going like crazy on this, but I'm not even gonna check. Keep it moving, you guys. Keep it moving. The deal of the day. Well, they don't have one of those tags, but usually this is like one of the deal of the day. 90 bucks. Okay. Oh, it's kind of like a Dodgers baseball thing. Look, it's like a little baseball thing up there. Dodgers colors. Okay. Call that the Air Force One Dodgers. Not bad. Not bad. 90 bucks, 20% off. Not bad. They are kind of limited in sizes. They go, like I said, we're from 9.5 to 14. So that's majority of the sizes. It's not the smaller ones. Air Force One utility? That's just weird. Like a buckle? Is that a buckle? What the hell? That is a buckle. That is a real buckle, you guys. This is a weird ass looking shoe. I don't know. It's like, are they saying you're too lazy to bend all the way over, so you can't grab this? What the hell is this? This is weird. I don't know, but it's huge. So size what? 13? Size 13. Those you guys that don't want to bend over all the way? I don't know. That's kind of weird. We're gonna throw that back. Get a 20% off if that's your thing though. 20% off. Okay. Is this the same price that it was earlier? I think so. $139. Size 13. So, all right. Got some heat for you guys. Some, or one at least. So yeah, we'll continue the search for you Bigfooters. They Pegasus Turbo crazy over here. Look at this, size 13. All right, not bad, not bad. I did forget to show you guys. So this is the size 13. So at least you guys get one full rack. 14 and up, yeah. You guys get to share this little thing. Not much. It's either not much, but the prices, man, they all right. 75 bucks, you get another 20% off. That's what's up. Got the Air Max 2017 right there, not bad. Got the huge nostalgia. That's way too pricey. Way too pricey. Got some Vapor Streets. This is not a common colorway. This is pretty sick. Damn. See, but these look exactly like my Moon Racers, don't they? Don't they? Just way bigger and different color. Yeah. Both all React. Both React on the bottom. Yeah, not bad. 109. Get that 20% off too. Yeah, this is definitely a collab. Look at this. I have no clue what collab this is. If any of you guys know, let me know. But yeah, look, the bottom's made out of cork. That's really interesting. That is interesting. Okay, so there's foam and then there's cork on top. Yeah, that's definitely, hey, they got something for you Bigfooters. That's not bad. Not bad. Got the LA Cortez size 14. You know this ain't going for MSRP. We found this for real cheap, so yeah. Last thing worth showing you guys. Kyrie Flytrap, 45 bucks. You get that 20% off as well. Not bad. Dang, that's what's up right here. You guys look, 100 bucks, man. I don't know. This is a little bit too bright. I do like those, the Fruity Pebble type of stuff. Man, this is too bright. I like the one that's a little more subtle. But yeah, 100 bucks, damn. 110, get 20% off. That brings it down to like what, $88, $89? Damn, that's what's up. Damn, you guys, this is what's up. This is what's up right here. 90 bucks for some Vapor Max. Y'all need to stop paying full price for stuff, man. All right, they do got they go from anywhere from what, 10 to 14, but they don't have a full size run. And then I realized, I said, hey, you guys. And then I realized, I said, you guys need to stop paying full price. Wait, you guys are watching my channel, so that means you guys are looking for deals just like me. So yeah, good job, you guys. Oh, look, they got this colorway as well. Okay, I'm a fan of this one too. Look at that, man. Yeah, this one, they definitely got a full size run. 7 all the way to 12. Not bad. That's a steal right there, you guys. That is a steal. Whoa, is that the cheapest price we've seen for these 312s? I think it is. We got two other colorways going for what, 79? But yeah, that's definitely the cheapest we've ever seen. Wow, 20% off on top of that. Wendy. These starting to make These starting to come down in price. All right, not bad. Another Proto Max 720. 7.5 on. LeBron, white lava. It's not bad. Not bad. They got it from 8. Damn, I got full size. 8 all the way to 12. So, sorry, you big footers are missed out, but size 8, little footers, you guys are good. Witness 3s, not bad. This section really doesn't have that many Jordans. Yeah, they do got the Spizikes. Yeah, this green kills it. Like if, I don't know. I feel like the color scheme on this is a little off. The look is all right, but the color scheme, a little bit off. Let me know what you guys think about that. Am I the only one? I don't know. Bread Witnesses. All right. Flytrap 2s. That's a pretty decent deal. Flytrap 1s. Damn, they almost look identical, the Flytrap 2s and Flytrap 1s. Damn, never noticed that. Air Max 97 clots. Damn, what? I remember seeing this on the sneakers app. Like, this was like 4 or 5 months ago, though. Damn, they got a full size line. Damn, that's crazy. The USA colorway. Damn, this one's going for 200, 20% off, and that one's going for 119. Damn, that's a big ass difference. But yeah, full size run, both colorways. Damn, who's into this? Like, really, like, I don't know. Maybe that's just me, but this mustard color, I don't know. I'm just not a fan. Aren't they talking about the Travis Scotts? The new Travis Scott 6s coming out in mustard? I don't know. The colorway just kills it for me. And then, I don't know, the strap too? I don't know. Is that just me, guys? I don't know. Am I off on this? Am I full of it? I don't know. Let me know, you guys. Let me know. Definitely not feeling those. The Portmart 2s. SBs. Team Classics. Janowski's. And Janowski 2s. Oh, those last ones were slips. But yeah, my bad. $35, you guys. I don't know what do you guys think? These are the ones I have on right now. Kind of look the same, right? Kind of look the same. I kind of like these Moon Racers better. But yeah, I think I'm gonna let them go. They do have some resale value, but there's only been like 3 or 4 that have sold on eBay, and there's like none on StockX and GOAT. So yeah, and I'm good. I really don't. I already have stuff from months ago that I need that haven't sold yet. So yeah, I'm gonna let these go. All right, so these are going for $80, $100 plus $100, which is retail, plus the 20% off. The prices are everywhere online. So no 7.5s have been on sale ever on StockX. And then the size 8s are going for $200. Size 7.5 going for 130 or something, 140. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm stuck. Let me think about it. All right, guys. We're gonna try to throw these bad boys on StockX. You don't win if you don't play, guys. Okay, let's try it. See what happens. So this is how much we paid, you guys. I think I should be able to get over close to 300, and then after fees and stuff, I think I should make close to $100 for both these shoes. We'll see. All right, that was it, you guys. Yeah, sorry I wasn't able to make it through the kids and the women's section. Usually I try to hit up every section to include everybody, but yeah, I wasn't able to hit the section, you guys. So, but yeah, let me know what you guys think about these SBs. You think I'm gonna make some money? I don't know. The Nike Dunks always seem to have resale value because they make such a limited quantity of them. So I think I should be able to make something. But yeah, hey, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for making it all the way to the end of the video. Appreciate you guys watching. For those of you guys who have not subscribed yet, make sure you guys go ahead and press that subscribe button. Make sure you guys hit that like. Make sure you guys leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, for those of you guys who haven't seen my channel before, who are new to my channel, I do pretty much hit a bunch of Nike outlets. I'm always just looking for deals. I do purchase a few stuff here and there for resale, but I really don't do that much. But hey, since I'm already going to the outlet looking for deals for you guys, if I find stuff, I do some light reselling. Yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace.